Have you ever opened Pinterest and seen those unbelievably perfect school bags? The kind that instantly make you stop scrolling because everything looks so neat, so clean, and so satisfying to look at. Every notebook is perfectly lined up. Every pen has its own place. Every highlighter matches the color theme. Even the smallest details somehow look beautiful. You start zooming into the pictures because everything feels so perfect. The backpack looks brand new. The stationery looks untouched. The folders match. The notebooks match. Even the water bottle somehow fits the aesthetic. It almost looks like every single item was carefully chosen to go together. Then you close Pinterest. Look at your own school bag, and reality hits. After seeing all those Pinterest photos, it's easy to think that maybe those aesthetic school bags are only possible if you have lots of money. Maybe you think you need a brand new backpack. Maybe you think you need expensive stationery. Maybe you think you need those trendy notebooks, imported pens, or fancy organizers that everyone seems to have online. But that's actually not true. The biggest secret behind a Pinterest-looking school bag isn't the price. It's organization. It's cleanliness. Even the simplest backpack can look beautiful when everything has its own place. In fact, many aesthetic school bags don't have dozens of expensive supplies. They simply look good because they're clean, organized, and thoughtfully packed. So if you've ever wished your school bag looked just as satisfying as the ones you keep saving on Pinterest, or if you simply want your school supplies to stay neat throughout the school year, then you're in exactly the right place. Because today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your school bag look like it came straight from Pinterest. And the best part is, you don't need to buy an expensive backpack. You don't need a huge stationery collection. You don't need dozens of aesthetic supplies. You don't need to replace everything you already own. Most of the tips I'm going to share today are completely free. By the end of this video, your school bag won't just look prettier, it will also be easier to use every single day.
Okay, let's go.
Empty everything. Before you start decorating or organizing your bag, the very first thing you need to do is take absolutely everything out. And yes, I mean everything. Every notebook, every pen, every highlighter, every tiny piece of paper, every wrapper, every receipt, every old homework sheet, every random item hiding in the corners of your bag. Place everything on your bed or on a clean table. Now look carefully. You'll probably find things you completely forgot about. Maybe an old permission slip, maybe dried out markers, maybe broken pencils, maybe papers from months ago, maybe even snacks that expired weeks ago. This is completely normal. School bags slowly collect clutter without us realizing it. Now separate everything into 4 groups. The first group is things you use every single day. The second group is things you only use once in a while. The third group is trash. And the last group is things that belong somewhere else. This one simple step already makes your school bag feel much lighter. Only carry out what you actually need. One of the biggest differences between a normal school bag and a Pinterest school bag is clutter. Pinterest school bags don't look beautiful because they're expensive. They look beautiful because everything inside has a purpose. Every item has a reason for being there, and nothing is just taking up space. Now look at everything you emptied from your bag. Pick up one item at a time and ask yourself, do I actually use this? Do I need this today? Am I only carrying this because I forgot to take it out? If the answer is yes, take it out. Throw away old wrappers, tissues, broken pencils, dried out pens, and random scraps of paper. Remove old homework, tests, worksheets, or notes that you no longer need. Don't carry notebooks or textbooks for subjects you don't have that day. Instead of carrying 10 pens, keep only 2 or 3 that actually work. Check every pen before putting it back in your bag. If it doesn't write smoothly, replace it. Look inside every small pocket, too. You'll probably find old receipts, coins, candy wrappers, hair ties, paper clips, or other tiny things that have been sitting there for months. If you carry snacks, remove empty packets and replace old snacks with fresh ones. If you keep hand sanitizer, lip balm, tissues, or medicine in your bag, make sure they're not empty or expired. If something is heavy and you only use it once in a while, leave it at home until you actually need it. Remember, every extra item adds unnecessary weight. A lighter bag is easier to carry, puts less pressure on your shoulders, and makes finding your things much faster. When everything inside has a purpose, your bag instantly looks cleaner, feels lighter, stays organized for longer, and gives you that neat Pinterest aesthetic everyone loves. Choose a color theme. This is probably the biggest secret behind those beautiful Pinterest school bags. Almost every aesthetic school bag follows a simple color palette instead of using lots of random colors. Instead of buying notebooks, folders, pencil cases, and supplies in every possible color, choose just 2 or 3 colors and stick with them. For example, white and beige, pink and white, blue and gray, black and white, sage green and cream. When all your school supplies follow the same color theme, your bag instantly looks cleaner, more organized, and much more aesthetic. Don't worry if everything doesn't match perfectly. It doesn't have to be exactly the same shade. As long as the colors look good together, your bag will still have that Pinterest look. And the best part? This tip doesn't have to cost any extra money. If you're already planning to buy new notebooks or folders for school, simply choose ones that match your color palette instead of picking random designs. You can even match small things like sticky notes, highlighters, pens, bookmarks, and your pencil case if your budget allows. These little details make a surprisingly big difference. A consistent color theme makes your school bag feel neat, intentional, and visually satisfying every time you open it. Organize every pocket. Don't throw everything into one big compartment. Give every item its own place. Keep notebooks in the largest section. Put your pencil case in the middle. Use smaller pockets for tissues, sanitizer, lip balm, hair ties, or your student ID. Side pockets are perfect for your water bottle. When every item has its own home, you'll never waste time searching for things during class. Upgrade your pencil case. Your pencil case is one of the first things people notice when they borrow a pen or when you open your bag in class. A clean and organized pencil case doesn't have to be expensive. Even the simplest pencil case can look aesthetic and Pinterest-worthy when everything inside is neat. Start by emptying everything onto a table. Yes, everything. You'll probably find old pen caps, tiny pieces of eraser, broken pencil leads, dried markers, random bits of paper, and maybe even supplies you forgot you had. Now, go through each item one by one. Test every pen to make sure it still writes smoothly. If a pen doesn't work anymore, throw it away. Check your highlighters and markers to see if they've dried out. If you have duplicate supplies, you don't need to carry all of them. Instead of keeping 6 or 7 pens, carry 2 or 3 reliable ones. Choose the colors you use most often and leave the rest at home. If you use sticky notes, a small ruler, correction tape, or a mini highlighter, keep only one of each instead of carrying extras. Arrange everything neatly. Keep pens together, pencils together, highlighters together, and small items like erasers or sharpeners in their own section if your pencil case has compartments. A clean pencil case not only looks better, but it also saves time during class, because you can find everything instantly. Remember, you don't need the most expensive stationery to have a beautiful pencil case. Protect your notebooks. Nothing ruins a beautiful school bag faster than bent notebooks. Use notebook covers if possible. If not, place larger notebooks at the back and smaller ones in front. Avoid folding pages. Keep loose worksheets inside folders instead of letting them float around your bag. Neat notebooks don't just look better, they also make studying much easier. Add small aesthetic details. This is where your personality comes in. You don't need to overload your bag with decorations. Sometimes less is more. A simple keychain, a ribbon, a small charm, a cute name tag, or even a tiny motivational quote inside your bag. Little details make your backpack feel unique without making it look messy. Remember, a Pinterest school bag isn't about having the newest backpack or the most expensive stationery. It's about being organized, keeping things clean, taking care of your supplies, and making your everyday school life feel a little more enjoyable. The most aesthetic school bag is the one that's clean, practical, and easy to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.